Struggling with your dog's constant barking, anxiety, or destructive behavior? The Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit offers a proven way to bring peace back to your home. Using natural pheromone technology, it calms 90% of dogs within just 2 weeks, reducing stress and aggressive behavior without any medication or fuss. I've seen firsthand how this diffuser transformed a high-energy, anxious dog into a calmer, more relaxed companion. The secret lies in its unique pheromones that mimic a mother dog's comforting scent, creating a safe and soothing environment. It's like giving your dog a gentle hug that helps ease separation anxiety, fear of loud noises, and even travel stress. This 6-in-1 kit comes with 2 plug-in diffusers and 4 48 ml refills, enough to cover 700 square feet for up to 120 days. That means continuous calm for your dog, whether they're at home alone or facing a stressful vet visit. Veterinarians recommend this diffuser for its broad, gentle effect and long-lasting relief, making it a smart choice for any pet owner. The diffuser's ingredients are gentle and safe, designed specifically to relax your dog's nerves and promote restful sleep. Unlike sedatives, this product works by naturally encouraging your dog to feel secure and satisfied. It's a subtle, effective way to improve your pet's well-being and strengthen your bond. What makes this diffuser stand out is its versatility. It helps dogs cope with a wide range of anxieties, from thunderstorms and fireworks to traffic noise and separation. By continuously releasing calming pheromones, it sends reassuring signals that ease fear and stress, helping your dog stay calm no matter the situation. To get the best results, place the diffuser in the area where your dog spends most of their time. Avoid hiding it behind furniture or in closed-off spaces to ensure the pheromones disperse evenly. This simple setup can make a noticeable difference in your dog's behavior and mood. If you're looking for a natural, veterinarian-recommended solution to reduce your dog's anxiety and aggressive tendencies, this calming pheromone diffuser kit is worth a look. It offers a hassle-free way to create a peaceful home environment where your dog feels safe and relaxed. Try the Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit when you're ready to see real change. It's a reliable, gentle approach to easing your dog's stress and helping them enjoy life more fully, because a calm dog means a happier home.